See all this lovely shag carpet? It's gotta go. We're here at a RV repair shop and we just want to have them take a look, see that everything's in good working condition before we get too much further in the demolition. Hoping we don't get a super upsetting surprise today, but
yep.
We just thought that we should have an expert take a peek before we get too much further in.
Let's see what our fate is.
Wish us luck.
For 1979, 53,000 miles, I don't think that it's in that terrible a shape.
No, it's not hurt. It's not hurt at all. The engine's 318 wide block. It's one of the best motors Dodge has ever made. So yeah, I don't think you have an issue with that. Carbureted engine. It's about as simple as it gets. I mean, if you're going to start out with one to restore, like,
right,
that's probably one of the simplest ones to do. So.
Great. Well, that's what we like to hear. That was massively helpful. They were so sweet, answered all of our questions about the suspension and the engine and the propane tank and the structural integrity, and everything is solid, just as we suspected, and we're ready to keep making progress and get it going. Are you so excited?
Yeah, baby, those guys were so good.
So we got all our answers and they were all the answers that we wanted. So onward and upward. Let's see what Dave's up to under here.
Oh, that's fun. That's satisfying, but it's also like...
Why is it terrifying?
Because all this stuff is flying in my face.
Ah.
What happens is all the spill, if you look over here, the tires, all when you're driving through water, right, or you're hydroplaning, you know, all that water just spills right back onto that. So, of course it's gonna rot faster.
Good morning.
Morning.
We are going through the camper right now and finishing up what we have left to do with demo. What can stay, what needs to come out, what we can salvage.
Yeah, I think it was just about follow the breadcrumbs of
water damage
and replace that. The stuff that's strong, there's no point in replacing.
If it ain't broke,
don't fix it.
Shall we?
Do it.
What'd you find, baby?
Just a little couple business. This big one, they moved out a long time ago. Those bees are probably older than we are. Here's a tour of my arm.
you can see the water on it. So it's raining through. Are we having fun yet?
We're having fun yet. We'll lift it down. So
I think let's lower it. Yeah.
But now it's not.
Ta-da! Give me your camera, your phone. I gotta get a close-up of this. The ants are pouring out again. All right, now we're closing in.
Smells like a grandpa's cedar cologne and asbestos.
Honestly, it smells like my grandpa home, I'm not gonna lie. Good morning.
Got your dump.
We're at the dump. It's raining and gross and muddy, and I don't want to get dirty. Also, we don't know what to do, and I will be shook if we don't get stuck up in here.
He is just showing off for us.
All right, let's get out of here. It's raining and muddy and wet, and I hate everything. We made this pile of trash.
Yeah. We finished demolition.
Yay.
Cheers, baby.
Yay. We done.
Yeah, all of this old stuff that we're sitting on is behind us. And all the fresh new stuff is in our future.
So, perfect.
You know what's really cute is like, the universe is so beautiful because it's like, I'm gonna send someone to mow their lawn right as you guys are recording your end of demolition video.
Right here. Oh, what a treat.
Two people are mowing.
What a treat.
And this
Across
guy
the
mows
street in the
every
next
single
neighbor.
day.
Yeah, it's aggressive.
So we finished demolition. It was hard. It was hot. It was wet.
He smelled very bad. I always smell good, but he smelled very bad.
That's true.
What did you learn, David?
What did I learn, David? If it smells like rot and it looks like rot, probably is rot. But don't take everything out if there is a solid piece left. Build around that, right? Mm-hmm. You don't have to take everything out and gut it and start from scratch. It's amazing how much we started from the beginning, and every time we went in the RV, it just smelled like a wet rag. All the stuff that was not exposed to air is actually starting to dry out, and it doesn't smell like a dirty rag anymore. Yeah. What'd you learn, baby?
Oh, me? I
Little
learned that working in 97 degree, 1,000,000% humidity, you burn a lot of calories.
A lot.
I was wearing my Apple Watch, and I would start like an other workout, and most days I burned like 1,400 active calories. It takes a lot of like brute force. It's fun, but it's also like exhausting. We would sleep like babies.
The second thing I learned is that it's easy to have tunnel vision and think, we're never gonna get through this. Why did we do this? Please help. Where's the reset button? But we chose this journey to take a really troubled child and turn her into something really beautiful. And
Was she more troubled than we thought she was?
I think she was a little more troubled.
Yeah.
I learned that we're a really good team.
We are a really good team. That's sweet.
We already knew that, but we get to find out every time we do something hard and new that we're an incredible team.
Yeah. My favorite thing is that when I'm having like a temper tantrum, or I just like, I'm so frustrated, or I just want to like give up, and I'm just like, this is way too much, we're in over our head, he's always got my back. But then when he's having a hard time,
She's always got
I always have his back. Like I feel like we just know, I feel like that's not unique to us necessarily as a couple, but it's nice to have a partner that you can be a baby and be like, this sucks, I hate this, and you know that like, I got you. And then I'll do the same for him when I notice that he's spiraling. So that's been nice.
This isn't a typical like, guy knows how to do things, girl doesn't know how to do things.
No, I'm slaying.
She really does know what she's doing. It's
Right.
typical in a stereotype sense. But let this be a lesson. Women know how to do things a lot better than men do. So,
From now on, we put new stuff in to Penelope. No more old stuff out. She starts getting that facelift, and
I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
I'm excited to stop touching like moldy carpet and get to like make some cuts and add some structure back into her.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to go eat dinner right now.
So, continue to like and subscribe our journey. We're so thankful that you're joining us. We don't really know what we're doing, but we're making it up as we go along. Thanks for following us. Bye.